I am using these snowflakes that I got from the dollar store. I'm using a 10 by 20 canvas and I have spray painted it a dark blue. Now I am going to, if the wind would just slow down a little bit, I'm going to spray paint these with some white. And you guys hold on to see what I'm going to do with it. Okay, welcome to Catherine the Paint. I think you just saw a clip of me spray painting this canvas. I had already done this one before I knew I really wanted to do more with it and make a video out of it. I was just going to make this and hang it up for Christmas, and then I decided that I wanted to do it a different way also and enhance it and see what happens, because I'm really not sure how it's going to turn out. So I have already mixed my resin up off camera. I have a video tutorial about how to mix equal parts A and B resin. I will link that down below. Today we are using 3 different kinds of glitter. I've got this really big chunky glitter. That's the holographic white. And then I have a really sparkly little, not the finest, but kind of a medium glitter. And then I'm going to put some of this blue in there. So this one's from Michael's, and this one is from Walmart, and this one was a gift from Juilliard. So I bought a silicone mold there, and she sent me some free glitter. All right, so I wore my mask when I was mixing this, and now I am not wearing it for a few minutes just while I explain mixing this stuff, and then I'm gonna turn the video on to silent and put my mask back on to spread it out and stuff. So all right, I'm just gonna pour this glitter in here. I wanted to show you guys what I was doing first, and then I'll do the voiceover for the other part. All right, if you're not careful, you'll get way too much glitter sometimes, so I recommend using a stick. All right, and then the other thing I'm going to use besides glitter is also this Too Faced Grumpy. This stuff is amazing. I got it from Artist Till Death, and you've got to get you some, because this stuff is an interference powder that shifts. It is so crazy. It is so beautiful. It shifts blue and I don't know what, but it's always gorgeous. So I'm going to cover the whole thing with the glitter, and then I'm going to swirl in some of the Too Faced. So get this mixed in. So let me just mix this in, and then we will get started. While you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me and hit the notification bell so you guys don't miss anything. That would really help me out. Thanks so much. All right, let's check out the dried results of these two. I think they're pretty. So they're not meant to go together. They're just similar. This one is going to the art auction for Carapalooza on the Artist Haven channel on November 28th, 7 p.m. You guys check it out. There's going to be a lot of really cool paintings and coasters and all kinds of stuff. So you guys got to check that out. So those are 2 different looks. There's a lot of bling. It's hard to catch with the resin. If you can see, it's got the big glitter, and then it's got the bling, Milky Way, and some smaller glitter. I think it is very festive. I hope you guys like it. So let me know which one you prefer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.